What if I told you that the weather forecast we've all been relying on for years is about to get a whole lot faster, more accurate, and most importantly, instantly available? Forget supercomputers and lengthy weather models, AI has arrived, and it's changing the game completely. In today's video, we'll explore how AI is revolutionizing weather forecasting, making it possible to predict weather conditions in real time with unprecedented accuracy. This isn't science fiction. It's happening now. Let's dive in. For decades, meteorologists have relied on supercomputers to crunch enormous amounts of data, running complex weather models that simulate everything from atmospheric pressure to wind speed. These models can take hours to process, and while they provide valuable insights, they still leave room for error, especially when predicting sudden changes in weather. But supercomputers, with all their power, are limited. They rely on vast datasets gathered from satellites, weather stations, and sensors, and even then, their forecasts can sometimes be off by miles or even hours when it comes to sudden weather shifts like storms or temperature drops. It's impressive, sure, but it's also slow, and in today's fast-paced world, that can be a problem. What if we could forecast weather changes instantly? Well, with AI, we can. Here's where the magic happens. AI-powered weather forecasting. Using machine learning and deep neural networks, AI systems can analyze massive amounts of data in real time. Instead of waiting hours for a supercomputer to process information, AI models can predict weather changes in a matter of seconds. How does it work? Well, AI is trained on massive datasets, satellite imagery, weather reports, radar readings, and more. But unlike traditional systems, AI doesn't just process this data, it learns from it, identifying patterns and correlations that humans or even supercomputers might miss. For example, AI can analyze weather data to predict where a storm will form, how it will progress, and when it will hit, all in real time. And it does this faster and more accurately than ever before. Imagine knowing exactly when a storm will strike your area, or understanding precise shifts in temperature in just minutes. So what makes AI so incredibly fast and accurate when it comes to weather predictions? Real-time data processing. AI systems can analyze live weather data, including satellite images, weather station readings, and even social media updates, all in real time. Unlike traditional models that take time to crunch data, AI can immediately assess new information and make predictions on the fly. Pattern recognition. AI uses deep learning algorithms to identify patterns in weather data. Over time, it learns to detect subtle shifts in the atmosphere that signal incoming weather events, things like the development of a storm or a sudden temperature change that might be missed by traditional forecasting models. Continuous learning. The more data AI systems process, the better they get. By constantly learning from new weather events and adjusting its predictions, AI can make weather forecasts that are more precise and adaptive. It's not static, it improves over time, making it even more reliable. Now let's talk about how this actually works in the real world. Major weather agencies and tech companies are already integrating AI into their forecasting models, and the results are game-changing. Weather apps. Apps like the Weather Company and AccuWeather are already using AI to provide users with hyper-local, minute-by-minute weather updates. These apps use AI to predict everything from rain showers to shifts in wind speed, keeping you informed in real time. Severe weather prediction. AI has shown immense potential in predicting severe weather, like hurricanes or tornadoes. Traditional models may only give a few hours of warning, but AI can help detect the early signs of a storm, giving people more time to prepare. This has huge implications for safety and disaster preparedness. Climate research. AI is also helping scientists model climate change with greater accuracy, allowing them to better predict long-term weather patterns, sea level rise, and environmental changes. The insights gained from AI-driven climate models can help governments and organizations plan for the future more effectively. Looking ahead, AI is set to take weather forecasting to even greater heights. We're talking about real-time, ultra-precise weather predictions on a global scale. Imagine being able to track weather patterns across the entire planet, with AI predicting everything from daily forecasts to long-term climate trends in seconds. With AI's ability to process vast amounts of data in real time, we could even see an integration of weather forecasting with other systems, like agriculture or urban planning, to optimize resources and ensure that communities are prepared for whatever weather comes their way. And it doesn't stop there. AI could make weather predictions available to everyone, everywhere, making weather data more accessible and actionable than ever before. Of course, this transformation doesn't come without its challenges. AI models are only as good as the data they're trained on. While AI can predict weather conditions incredibly quickly, it's still dependent on accurate real-time information. If there are gaps in the data or if the data is corrupted, even the most advanced AI system can make mistakes. Moreover, there's the question of how much we can trust these AI systems. Weather forecasting is inherently uncertain, and while AI can drastically improve accuracy, it's important to remember that the atmosphere is incredibly complex. AI is not infallible. There's still room for error, especially in extreme or unprecedented conditions. As AI continues to evolve, it will be crucial to integrate human oversight with these automated systems to ensure that predictions remain accurate and trustworthy. So, the next time you check your weather app and see a forecast that's down to the minute, remember, it's AI doing the heavy lifting. From real-time predictions to more accurate climate models, AI is truly changing the way we understand the weather. But while AI is making weather forecasting faster and more accurate, it's clear that we're still learning to fully harness its power. As the technology continues to improve, one thing is for sure: the weather forecast is going to keep getting smarter. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more cutting-edge updates, and leave your thoughts in the comments. How do you think AI will change the way we interact with weather forecasting in the future? Let us know. Until next time, stay ahead of the storm, with AI by your side.